see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater.
Project. It's a 1994 Chevy Silverado 1500 OBS. I know I said I wasn't going to take no more projects, but I just took this one and another one around about the same time. It's a Chevy Camaro, but I'll show you it on a later video. This OBS here is Southern Chevy TV. Same owner of Ruby, the box Chevy I just painted. I'm going to give you a walk around it. He had already upgraded some stuff on it, like the tail lights. And see, I think he put the mirrors on here too, but you can go check his channel out and see all the stuff he done before I had got it. The mirrors, I know he did the cowl hood, and I think he did the headlights also. He put the wheels on it. Let me take you on the inside. He did the sunroof too. I got some of the stuff out here that I'm going to be doing to it. I got a paintable bumper. I'm going to change the bumper out. Got the roll pan right here. The roll pan. And the wing on the back. Tailgate. These little two pieces here. They go on the side. Yeah, figure out which way they go. Yeah, like this here. They go like that. I'm going to be putting them on, fiberglass them on. And I'm not sure what this is. I think this is the grill. I'll open it up in a minute. And I'm not sure what this is. I'll open it up, but let me take you on the inside. Show you the sunroof he done. It's pretty clean. He had changed these seats out too. I can remember on this videos in the past. And he did this little dash pad. He put that in. It's pretty clean though. Carpet. He did the carpet. But this is the sunroof here. Let me cut the truck on. One touch. I don't really know the functions of it. Got 1, 2. Let me see here. 2. I think 2 go all the way back. Then you got close. That's the seat. But it's pretty nice though. I think he's going with red interior. Got a black headliner, red and black. He was talking about fiberglass in his door panels, so be looking out. I should be doing some fiberglass on these door panels. And I'll be painting the dash, pretty much all the interior pieces. He gonna paint them because he's going with red and black. Got a sliding rear glass back here. That's pretty much my next project. The paint in pretty good condition. I just seen a few little nicks here and there. But I'll be doing this project here and that Camaro pretty much the same time. So one video might be about this here, the next video will be on the Camaro. Let me take these 2 boxes down, then I'll show you what that is. Okay, this is the front grill. He had went with the GMC because he said he liked the Tiara grill look on the GMC front grill instead of the Chevy. So we're gonna put the GMC front grill on, and this the bumper filler to go at the bottom of the grill. It's this piece here, which you probably could have used this one. I don't know if it came with it or what. And this the bottom spoiler. It don't have the tow hooks on it. I'm not sure if he know that or not though, but I'm gonna give him a call and make sure. Take you back here. That's the paintable bumper, as I said before. It's just cleaner than this one here, which I probably could have took that molding off and just prepped that up to paint it. But he bought this one here, so we're gonna go with that one. Then for the back, just the roll pan. I think this is gonna look real nice instead of the real bumper. I'm gonna be installing this too. I'm gonna have a video on doing that. And that's the wing. I showed you that already. But this is it. So be on the lookout for a lot of videos. This is the sunroof here from the top. Stay tuned. Okay, here's all the material that Southern Chevy TV purchased for the truck. It's all by UreChem. I'm going to take you through everything, what he got. We got a cylinder here. It's the color seal 2K. It's white, the same color as the truck. We got the reducer. We got the activator. We got the base coat here. It's a slick base, stellar silver, metallic base coat. We got the candy coat. It's an EyeKandy Apple Red urethane candy. Then we got 2 gallons of clear coat, and we're using a Glamour clear coat. Then we got some metal flake here. We're gonna put that in the base coat. We got some cups and the pamphlets. So stay tuned for all the videos. They should be coming up shortly.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped. Right from the bottom to the top, from the